What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be making a wet molded leather holster for my Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus. This one's in 9mm. It is clear. That's what we're going to be doing. Going to be using a couple different pieces of some thick veg tan. It's like some 10 ounce, and this is like some probably 6 or 7 ounce. We're going to be wet molding the front piece to where it fits around the knife real good. I went ahead and got some little molds made, just a basic mold where I can set the pistol on here, get this piece nice and wet, get it put over where I want, and then press it down in here. So yeah, let's get to it. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Alright, now that we got that leather wet, the next thing we got to do is I made a little spacer to go around the trigger guard. So it's flat right here so it can draw. And then we're going to wrap this whole thing in some saran wrap, and then we'll get it wet molded, get it in that wood mold I have for it. Alright, I'm going to get some clamps on this, and I'll get back to y'all when it dries. Alright, y'all. I went ahead and got it out of the little wooden mold. Got it shaped up. I just went in with my thumb and stuff and pushed all in these while it was wet. Used my burnishing tool. Got in there around all the corners and stuff I wanted to highlight and depress so that there would be a positive retention on it. Now we're going to get this cut to shape, and then we're going to throw the back panel down and get it traced out and cut to shape. Let's get to it. There we go. I like that shape. Gotta get our belt loop holes punched out and cut out. And then we'll get it attached to that back panel and start getting everything stitched together. Alright, y'all, that glue's dried enough. Now we're gonna go and get all the holes marked out, and we're gonna drill them all because this leather's so thick I'm not gonna be able to do it with my punches. So I'm just gonna use the punches as a marking guide and then drill it all out and get it stitched up. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Let's see how this pistol's fitting here. Tight fit. Not going anywhere. So yeah, it's not bad for a first time. Got this patch of leather back here as a sweat guard so this doesn't sit up against my skin and rust. Now we got to get these edges finished and get the back stamped, and this will be a video. Let's get that done. Alright, y'all, got all these edges burnished as good as they're gonna get. I need to get some edge dye to be able to make it all match, but it's good enough for me. It's smooth, it's all glossy and everything. It's alright for me. Last thing we're gonna do is get some stamps on the back. I probably should have done this first, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna throw a block of wood in here. Give me something flat to be able to hammer against. We're gonna get this wet and get this thing stamped real quick. Alright, got our stamps on there. And while this is a little bit wet, we're gonna get this pistol put back in here because you can see that bump right there. So, trying to kind of mold that into the back panel. Alright, y'all. There's my first holster. I'll go with my mag pouch. Now we got a little set right here. Let me know what you all think down in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and you enjoy this kind of content. There'll be more in the future. I thank you all very much for watching. And until next time.